Hi everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess and Dog Collector. I know I have not done a video in forever. School has been super duper whipping my you-know-what this last semester, so yeah, and it just wrapped up recently. So I will be doing a little traveling soon, and before I go though, I do have some dolly mail right here. This is a doll that I saw secondhand on one of the Facebook groups. It is Prima Dolly Ginger. She is a release from Takara stock doll. And yeah, let's just open her up real quick. This person put some cute fabric in here, which is super nice. I can use this for doll dresses. That's very sweet of her. Huh. And it's a good idea. It's a good way to pack stuff. And here's some more similar fabrics. Got nice small print, so very good for dolls sewing. This is a used, no stock, obviously not new in box, nude Prima Dolly Ginger. And I can't remember her release. She is an older doll, but I will put her release date down below. Oh, she's got very pink lips. How cute. And she's an SBL. Her hair's nice. Feels a little dry. That's unusual. Usually, I mean, it's very thick. Definitely is not greasy. But it seems drier than I'm used to. She's got a side part. She is one of the tan dolls. Not super dark skinned, but definitely darker than most Takara dolls. Okay. Alrighty, let me go ahead and do her eyes. So we have side-facing blue there, very pretty royal blue, like a rich dark blue, very pretty. And orange. I'm not a big fan of orange, but I just won't use those eyes. Green, side-facing green. And if I can get hold of the cord here and not rip her hair out. Pink front facing. Yeah, I will say this is not like one of my Grail dolls, but I collect the Neo stock Takara tan dolls, and so whenever I see one that is a good price and it's one that I haven't already gotten, I try to go ahead and get it. So I think I want to say there's like 11 or 12 tan stock dolls in the Neos, so I'm trying to get them all. I have 6, I think, and she would be my number 7. And yeah, her hair is cute. She's a cute doll. She's in good shape. Her body's really nice. No problem with her. Yeah, she's in very, very good shape. And so super happy with my purchase. I did get her for a good price. I have seen her new in box on places like Mandrake, new in box for around $200, not including shipping. And so I knew that that was kind of a ballpark, that I wanted to get it under that quite a bit, because if you're not going to get the stock or the, the stand or the box or anything, then that brings the price down. And I don't really need all that. I really just want the doll at this point. And her stock was not super impressive. It was like a little dress, kind of a retro dress, and wasn't necessarily one of my favorite stock outfits anyway. But I definitely like the tan dolls, and I also like SBLs, so this worked out really well. I also plan to be selling one of my stock dolls, my Winterish Allure, pretty soon. So I will probably have to wait till, like I said, I've got some traveling and some family coming in to visit and stuff. So even though I'm out of school now, life is still pretty busy, so I probably will not be updating my site, or I should say my Etsy shop, for another couple of weeks. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell icon so that you get notifications of new videos. And I'm on Instagram and Facebook and all that good stuff. I'll put the social media links down below in comments. in the description, of course. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye. Oh, wow. She also included the stand, which that was a nice addition. I did not know I was going to get the stand with it. I will have to send her a little thank you. I'm back. I thought I'd show you real quick Ginger in her first little outfit. This is a dress I got eons ago from Walmart that was part of the Sparkle Girls. And I put some little faux Ugg boots on her. And she will be hanging out in the curio with all the other tan dollies very soon. Alright, here we go. Here they are without the light on. We have an overcast day. So we have Pineapple, Paradise Girl, Roxy, Asha, Ginger, Sunshine Holiday, and Cherry Beach. I think they probably need to get going on the other shelf pretty soon. Kind of tight squeeze, right?